All right, here's a quick diagnostic tip. This car came in 2013 Hyundai Elantra. Came in with a cylinder 1 and cylinder 3 misfire. First things first, we checked the codes. Came in with cylinder 1, cylinder 3. Second thing is we want to see what kind of history is on this vehicle. In this case, they haven't done a tune-up in 70,000 miles. It's at 177,000 miles right now. So, what's a couple things you can do before just saying you got a bad coil, you got a bad spark plug, whatever? In this case, what I did was take number 1, swap it to number 2, take number 2, swap it to number 3, and vice versa. Let them switch out coils from one to another. Make sure you know where they're going. So I do this, take 1 and 3, flip it over to 2 and 4, and vice versa. This will tell me if I got good coils. If they move on the misfire chart, and instead of having a cylinder 1, now I actually have a cylinder number 2, then I know that I possibly have a bad coil. We're not going to condemn the coil immediately, but that is a high probability in this case. So that's what I did. I moved it from cylinder 1 to number 2, and then my misfire started on number 2. I go and I check the spark plugs to see what kind of condition they are in. Every single one looks about the same. They're garbage plugs, they're Autolite, but they all look the same, cylinders 1 through 4. So it doesn't tell me anything outside of the normal. They all look the same. Great. So if none of them are black, none of them are white tipped, what have you, then we know we got just a solid misfire going on. From there, you can decide, okay, do I want to take it a step further and do a compression check? Or if you know it's been running fine, and from there you say, okay, they just had a misfire pop up from night to day, so I'm going to tune up and get some spark plugs, new coils, check out their other filters, give them an oil change while they're at it, and let it ride. But that's your basic misfire diagnostic. And if you need a good scanner to give you good codes, like I was telling you guys in my other video, this Top Down right here, they have an app. You literally load it up on your phone. Check it out. It'll give you the codes right on the live data. And you can do your own tune-up, do your own spark plugs. Very simple to do. All right? So that's tech